Here's how to allow photo access on your iPhone. Now, if there are a variety of different apps that you want to allow access to your photos, but when you open it up and try to access those photos, it's not letting you. Keep in mind, depending on your settings for your iPhone, you could be restricting access to those photos. We need to get to your settings to change that. So let's open up the settings here. And the first place that I would recommend checking is your screen time to make sure that you don't have any limitations. Now you can see on here it says photos and it might be set to don't allow changes. If that's the case, it will restrict your ability to give access to photos to a variety of different apps. So we need to either change this to allow changes, or we can just go back and completely toggle off content and privacy restrictions. You don't necessarily need it. After you've done that, let's make sure that we give access to those photos. And you can do that either by the settings, just scrolling down and going into the privacy and going to photos. And now you'll be able to see all of these apps that you can give access to. Now, for instance, say Reddit, I wanted to give full access or limited access. I can choose one or the other and hit allow. However, if you don't see the app on here, sometimes you need to go to the settings for that specific app to be able to allow access to it. So let's go back out of here to the very beginning of your settings and navigate to that specific app. Let's say, again, in this case, we're going to go down and find Reddit on this list. And from here, you need to find photos and switch this from none or limited access to full access to give it full access to all those photos. If this still doesn't work for you, I would highly recommend just deleting the app and reinstalling it. So press and hold on the app, tap on remove app, and then delete the app, and then just go through the process of reinstalling it, and it will request access to those photos once again.